Okay, you know, bite a piece, but don't chew it. I don't care how big it is, but half. Bite it in half, and then keep it in your mouth. And the person who can keep it in their mouth the longest will make a straight face. There's a twist to this, though. We're not spitting it out. Okay, bite it in half. Bite it in half. Keep it in your mouth. Bite it in half. Keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth. Now, you have to sing Amazing Grace. Finish the song without singing down the country. Whoever can sing without spitting out the pepper wins. Alright? 1, 2, 3, go. Now sing. Now sing. Come on.